Hi everyone, my name is Samantha and I'm a service advisor at Oakridge Ford. Many people often don't know why the check engine light is on. It certainly points to some problem in your car that needs to be fixed soon. This problem can lead to cost you a lot more later in the future. We are going to talk about the top 5 reasons why the check engine light might keep coming on or remain on in your vehicle. The first one is your oxygen sensor, which measures the amount of unburned oxygen in your vehicle's exhaust system. It may need to be replaced, otherwise your engine will burn more fuel than needed and you will get less mileage per gallon. The next is that your gas cap is loose, damaged, or missing. The gas cap seals the fuel system and helps maintain pressure within the fuel tank. You can lose fuel through evaporation, followed by more trips to the gas pump. Your vehicle might have a bad catalytic converter, which helps protect our environment by converting harmful carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide. If this is the case, your vehicle won't pass the engine test and you will experience reduced performance and fuel economy. You might need to replace your main airflow sensor. It measures the amount of oxygen getting into the engine to determine how much fuel is needed to run your engine efficiently. Faulty sensors can cause damage to your spark plugs, your O2 sensor, or to your catalytic converter. Your vehicle might need new spark plugs or plug wires. The former ignites the air to fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, while the latter delivers the spark from the ignition coil to the spark plugs. Please note that what we've explained in our video are the 5 most common reasons that the check engine light might be on your vehicle. However, there could be other reasons as well. Finding out why your check engine light is on is one of the most important things you can do for your vehicle. Here's the answer to fix this problem permanently. Come visit us at Oakridge Ford, and our qualified team of experts will ensure your vehicle gets permanently rid of this technical snag. Have a great day.